Today I will be actually reviewing system.io free account because this is an all-in-one platform. I have used many platforms. This is the easiest one I found till now. This is not the perfect, but this is the best for general purpose. And I will show you what a free account can give you, because it is a vast all-in-one platform. I cannot cover each and every point in just one review. So today I'm going to tell you only what a free account can give you. So this is a system.io. I'll be talking more about a free account. This is when you go to system.io. Actually, I'll be putting my affiliate link over there, and I'm just putting my affiliate link only for one purpose, that I used to be with Keep, that is Infusionsoft, and they had a dedicated customer service. So if you have any question, basically they would be answering immediately. They had a live chat available all the time, during daytime at least. And the one feature that I missed after coming to system.io, that feature was not there. Live help was not available. They reply back sometimes immediately, sometimes next day. But then whoever joins with my affiliate link, actually I provide that live support, because if they have any question and if the system.io, they are not replying immediately, I help my affiliate. So that's why I'm putting my affiliate link over there, and I get paid only when you upgrade to the paid account. So anyway, we'll be discussing more about what free account can give you. So this is the platform. This is what when you come to system.io, this is what you will see here. They'll have the topics like why system.io, features, pricing, blog, testimonials, sign in, etc. And here of course, means any sales page you go, you have to have some proof testimonial. So here some testimonials are here. System.io is the easiest for you to. Here it says that create sales funnel, and I totally agree with you. The creating sales funnel, it's so easy over here. I haven't found any better all-in-one platform yet to create a really easy system sales funnel. Also, you don't need separate marketing email provider for CRM and all. They have all-in-one. They have an email system also, and that works perfect. Then for website also, you don't need different website like Katra, Kajabi, Wix, WordPress. I had WordPress, but then I created digital products, and I created a lot of digital products, and my WordPress was slowing down like crazy. So I'm migrating my site over here. And if you opt in for any annual plan, they do migration for free. My site was so huge, the digital products, and they are doing that migration for free. And when I was asking migration to other sites, and they were charging me anything from $2,500 to $4,500 dollars just to migrate my site, and it was just too much. Here they are doing it for free. Manage your affiliates are also very easy to manage, because whenever you create any product, the affiliate, or when you add any new contact, there is a affiliate link immediately created. So because I was helping somebody else on guru.cm about affiliate program, and it was so much of pain. It was very complicated. Compared to that, this was very easy. Even the email system I was talking about at Keep, it was so hard. And even if you create a tag, they didn't even have option to delete the tag. I said, what is this? And even the creating workflow and all, it was very complicated. Compared to that, system.io, it's very easy, very easy and manageable. Creating online courses, creating and uploading online courses was also very easy. Automate your marketing, because when you create a workflow, the workflow creation is also very easy. And I'm comparing with Keep. Keep was so complicated. Compared to that, system.io is very easy. And I'm thankful that first I tried Keep, because then compared to keep this. I found it very, very easy. So it's without hassle, and it saves all these platforms money. You don't have to put platform into all these for funnel building and email marketing and online course builder and affiliate program. Yeah, I think for Thrivecart, I think there is a one-time payment of, I don't know, $600-700 or something you have to pay. And but here everything is included with video hosting, everything is there. So here again, some more testimonials you will come across. It's yeah, I totally agree. It is very easy. Learning curve is very small. It's very, very easy. So just wanted to tell you that this is on the first page, everything is there. Now I will go through the details of all the features and here. So whysystem.io. So here it's a short version. Here again, they give you the why it is 10 times cheaper compared to all other alternatives. There are many alternatives you must have been researching, like ClickFunnels and all. Yeah, means there everything is very, very expensive compared to that. This is very easy, and you can use that money to put somewhere else. It's yeah, I can see that the only tool you will need. Yeah, you can have free forever account. So this is why they are saying that this is why you can say the whysystem.io. Then the second menu items says about the features, what all the features are there. So we took care of some of the features, but here the sales funnel, email marketing, website builder, affiliate program management, business automation with the workflow, evergreen webinars. Actually, I joined for evergreen webinars, but later on I upgraded to unlimited because I just have too many products, too many digital products. I enjoy creating digital products, and this platform gave me really simple way to host my digital products, online courses, blogging. Yeah, I have a blog site also. They migrated that site also for free. I sell my products, I create coupons and everything. So create sales funnel, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, create online courses. This is what all we have discussed before, automate your marketing. So here I just wanted to show you all these features are there. And then here the pricing. What is the pricing? You see the pricing. So I was talking about a forever free account. So this is the forever free account. What does the forever free account give you? It gives you access to 2,000 contacts. And initially MailChimp used to give 2,000 actually contact, but now they reduced to 500. And I don't know that many email services they give to manage 2,000 contacts for free, but system.io, they do that. Unlimited emails you can send. You can have 3 sales funnel. That is really, really good. Then sales funnel step, you can have 15. I'm talking about the free forever plan. So 15, you can have 1 blog, you can have unlimited blog post, you can have 1 course. So if you want to try out how is this platform work, you can go for forever free account and you can have you upload your 1 course and see how it is for you. So unlimited students, you can have 1 community, because 1 course, 1 community, generally that is how it goes. Unlimited community members, file storage space unlimited, that is really amazing. Automation rule 1, workflow 1. Yeah, generally, yeah, you need 1 workflow for 1 course and 1 tag, 1 email campaign, 1 click upsell, 1 order bump, 1 A/B test, coupon code, 1 coupon code. This is, I'm talking about all the forever free plan. 1 deadline funnel is included, Stripe integration, PayPal integration, and various other integrations are included, like Razorpay, then Flutterwave. I'm not using those. I'm using only Stripe and PayPal. I'm planning to add even merchant services. Assistant accounts unlimited, because I was working with some freelancers, so I just created their account and they were helping me. So I didn't have to give my login to them. I just created account for them. Turn your own affiliate program. Email support, they say 24/7, but means many times you may not get the response immediately. So that's why I help my affiliate. I provide them help whenever possible. Custom domain, one custom domain. Evergreen webinars are not included in the free forever plan. For that, you have to go to webinar. But evergreen webinars are so expensive outside you when you go for the separate plan. But here, if you go for the webinar plan, and we are not going to talk about that in my today's review. Today, I'm talking only about the forever free plan. The free migration is basically it is not included because it is a free plan, and means basically free migration. Migration takes a lot of time and money and all, and one-on-one kickstart coaching is also not included in the free plan. So this is what you will get in the free plan. So if you want to give a try, just give a try. And all plans include unlimited emailing, unlimited file storage, unlimited students, no transaction fees, affiliate program, and online support. So this is the best way for you to try out, and you give a try. If you don't like, of course, you can go for another platform, or you can go back to whatever platform you were using. But I really found this is the easiest platform of many other platforms I have used, and I didn't have to spend separate different money for different software all in one. It is working really well. I had two WordPress websites, and when I created too many digital products, it was slowing down like crazy, because then I had to add also various plugins, because there is a plugin for everything. For example, if you want to add affiliate program, you have to add plugin, and every plugin actually means basically some plugins are free, but most of the good plugins, they are premium. So you have to pay sometimes one-time fee, or sometimes you have to pay annual fee. So it's a lot of added cost when I was hosting WordPress, and it was slowing down like really crazy. I just couldn't hold my e-commerce site over there. So I was looking for better option, and this worked out really well. There is a monthly plan, there is annual plan, but we are talking about free forever plan. So you don't worry about that. Here is a blog. Here, this blog will give you all the ideas about various topics like email marketing tutorials and various other tutorials. There are so many things, personal finances, all the online tools, marketing dictionary, create your own website, all those tools and categories, and all the training is available. Books for entrepreneurs, sales funnel, inspiration, how to tutorials, everything is there. There are so many posts. You can just go through all knowledge base. It's really good. And that I think all platforms have knowledge base really well. So means this, I cannot say this is better than other, because whichever platform I was on, they had really good knowledge base. So, but I just want to tell you, even if you have free forever plan, you will have access to all this knowledge base. Everything is available over here. So this is the knowledge base over here. These are all the testimonials. These are the various testimonials, and I personally, I'm really happy. Again, I'm telling you, this is not the perfect, but this is the best till now I have found, because I did a lot of research. I came across with so many platforms. This is the best I've found till now. There are lots of testimonials, but if you have any other questions, you can always contact me and ask me. I will tell you. I'm just putting you everything, whatever I experience. So I'm not telling you that this is the best, but I'm saying this is the best till now. I found out this is not perfect. Again, I'm telling you, because if you are used to getting immediate help, instantaneously help, you may not get from this platform. But generally there are no emergencies. So it worked out really well for me, and I'm filling that gap for my affiliates. So there is why to wait? You can just click on the link there in the description, and you can just get started for free, and you experience how great this platform is. And in case of any question or concerns and all, you can always contact me. I will be there to provide you my experience and whatever information I have. Again, I'm telling you, I don't have all the information, but whichever way I can help you, sure, I will help you, and I'll fill the gap of whatever is lacking in the system.io. I am trying to fill the gap. So why wait? Just go ahead, click on the link, create your free account, and try for yourself. And I'm pretty sure you will be happy. You will be happy because this is compared to what the money they are charging, compared to that, what all the services they are providing is really amazing. And just now also I got email just couple of days back from the founder saying that they upgraded many of the services, and now the opt-ins will be better and all that. So they are keep on updating and upgrading the platform. It's working out really good, very simple, very easy, one of the best, but of course, surely not the perfect. But I haven't found anything better yet. If you have found anything better, please let me know, because I like to um, search, I like to evaluate, and I came across with some platforms which they were giving the lifetime deal for just by one payment, and I evaluated those also. But then those platforms were charging me, as I mentioned before, $4,500 to migrate my site. So I really didn't see means that much value. And and another platform I came across, Klaviyo, not Klaviyo, some Clivox or something. Oh, I don't remember. You will always see the ad on Facebook, and that was also just one-time payment and lifetime access. But then they were charging separate for everything. If you want to have a template, they extra charge, extra charge, extra charge. I said, then why are you saying that? That okay, pay once and lifetime access for everything. If you're going to charge extra, what is the point? So you do your own research, you do due diligence, because it is your business. I'm just sharing my experience, but I'm open-minded. If you know something better, please let me know. And because it's not like that I'm married to system.io, but till now it is working out really, really good for me. So your opinion, your experience, and your feedback is highly, highly appreciated. Thank you.